In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment to a record in the Airtable app. Whether you're tracking tasks, projects, or ideas, sometimes you need to leave a clear note so teammates know exactly what's going on. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll share a few tips to keep your notes easy to read and useful for everyone on your team. Start by opening the Airtable app on your device. Give it a moment to load your workspaces and bases. Once the app is ready, you'll want to open the base you want to work in. A base is like a dedicated project hub that holds your tables, views, and records. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct base so your note ends up in the right place in context. Next, tap the record you want. A record is a single row within a table and typically represents one item, like a task, a contact, or a project milestone. If your base uses different views, remember you're still looking at the same underlying records. Choose the view that makes it easiest to spot the row you're after. When you see the row you need, tap it to select it. Now tap Expand Record. This opens the record in a full screen view, which is perfect for focusing on the details without distractions. In the expanded view, you can see every field clearly, making it easier to read and update information. If you've ever tried to type in a cramped space on mobile, you'll appreciate how much more comfortable this view is. In the Notes box, type your comment. Depending on your base, this field might be labeled Notes, Comment, or something similar, but it's the place designed for descriptive text. Keep your message clear and actionable. Start with the key point, add any relevant context, and, if helpful, include a brief next step or date reference. Short paragraphs or line breaks can make longer notes easier to scan. If your team uses consistent tags or keywords, you can include those here to help others quickly find what they need. When you're happy with what you've written, tap Done. This saves your note to the record so it's visible to anyone with access to the base. It's a good idea to take a quick glance at the record after tapping Done to make sure everything looks the way you intended. And that's it. You've opened the app, navigated to the right place, expanded the record, added a clear note, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Airtable.